Okay, so we're at P3 AMG. As you know, we work a lot of Mercedes-Benz AMG models. Today we've got my car in, which is a C63 AMG Edition 1, 550 brake horsepower. It's in Magno Silver with red interior. We're going to go for a drive in that. We've also got a customer's car in, C63 Coupe, which we're doing a few modifications for. So we're going to take the C63 for a drive, see what we think.
Diego, they move on my seso, 30 on my Nuevo, just made 100, I need 8 more.
So the stock cars come with 503 brake horsepower, 700 newton meters torque. It doesn't take much breathing on one of these to get them up to 600, 650 horsepower, 800, 850 newton meters torque. Go very sideways. The 0 to 60 on the C63S is 4 seconds, top speed of 180 mph, but again with some simple remapping you can take the top speed off it. Plans for this car is to go quite far with it. We're going to go with some Vicetec modifications, including the Vicetec W4 turbochargers, which potentially give the opportunity to take the car to 900 brake horsepower. Furthermore, we're going to upgrade the transmission, get a better cooling system on the transmission, better cooling system on the vehicle's engine, and combined with Vicetec's mapping, we'll have a really serious car in our hands. So if you stay tuned to the YouTube channel, you'll be able to see all the bits and pieces we do with this car over the coming 6 to 9 months, and there'll be plenty of updates for you to see.